Okay, left you a video a couple days ago. I did not make it out here on Monday. I was too busy. So if this is your first time seeing this video, this will be a few parts. 40-ton hydronic system. They lost one of their 10-ton units. And of course you can see they've never done maintenance. So while I'm fixing this leak, that we can better see now here in this video, even though I don't have the bubbles on it yet, nitrogen, I got to go over to my son's job site and help him pick up some of that heavy ducting that you've seen in the other video that I uploaded last night when I was doing the ducting and helping him over there. So the leak is located right down in this area. You see where this tube moves, where my fingers are right here? This vibrates like hell. All their units are like this. They'll eventually fail. Now you see where they have the wires going? You see those nice shiny spots? What do you think's gonna happen after a couple years? It wears through the wires, it shorts through. So I'm gonna get rid of this totally. I'm gonna cut this tube down short so it's no longer this long appendage sticking out here, oscillating with the harmonics of the, when it hits its resonance frequency, this thing literally moves back and forth. You can see another failure starting to happen here, where it's wrapped around here. It's wearing through the wires right there. That's where they had it wrapped there. It's vibrating through, so I'll strap that really good. I'll put something under there and strap them. And as you can see, the sun is out. This thing is so caked. But the customer doesn't understand, even if they look at it, and a lot of young guys, this is 2/2 of a condenser unit. And you get clogged out here, but you also get clogged down in here into the second one. When these things were brand new, you could stand here like this and you could see the sun coming through. Now it's just a solid. These never turn off. They're on 24/7 because they're so plugged. They're trying to work so hard. I can imagine what their electricity bill must be with these units so plugged. And they never cycle because they never make it. There's just not enough up here. I mean, you might as well put cellophane wrap around all these units and say try to work, because that's basically how they're operating right now. So I'm gonna go, and I have to go over and help my son right now. We're gonna move that duct. I got one other little job. I actually don't have time for this kind of work. I put this off for weeks, and but it was winter time and they didn't need all the units running. And now the sun's coming out, they need it. So I'm breaking off my jobs. The other job with my son is a couple blocks away, and all my other jobs are throughout the city and around. And I keep stopping by here every time I pass by, do a little more. This morning I just put my tools out here so they're set for me to come back. Oh, another thing, it's really nice to have a really long hose set sometimes. If you can carry an extra hose set with you, or you just keep a long one. As you can see, my tanks are down there. I didn't have to carry them heavy SOBs up the ladder and get it up here. I'm right here, that's it. And I could do all my work. If you're on a 12-foot ladder, you know how hard it is to have that short hose set, and you're always trying to bring the acetylene tanks when you have lines over your head or you're far away. If you were in a crawl space in a house, why do you want to lug your tanks all the way back underneath the crawl space in a little 2-foot, area where you have to go to the middle of the house? Just get long lines. Game over, set, easy job. So I'll be back here and see you guys in a little while. Just let you see where we're at. Oh, I'll be pressure washing this too. This one will get serviced before I put it back into use.